As Reliance promises leap into clean energy, green economies become mainstream. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak Yadav presenting to you today's big news. At the end of June this year, Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, announced a 75,000 crore rupees investment plan into clean energy in India over the next 3 years. This announcement was met with the usual eye roll. A perceived shift to clean energy by a big oil and gas giant is fraught with both skepticism and optimism. However, an announcement of this nature by the biggest oil and gas company in India is a reinforcement that clean energy is the future. These decisions are driven by the market, which values companies that are investing in sustainable energy choices. Given that most of the funding is now available through the environmental, social and governance funding route, companies are able to access this pool of capital. Reliance's decision to venture into the clean energy space allows them to raise more funding for their new business and raise its market value. Companies that are still betting big on fossil fuels have seen the erosion of their shareholder value, and increasingly there is pressure from the boardroom to invest sustainably. Therefore, more oil and gas companies are likely to follow suit and invest in more sustainable energy choices. Major players making big clean energy commitments will drive more investment into this space. This will also drive prices down further for renewable energy and battery storage and help India achieve scale-up domestic manufacturing. Reliance's plan is to develop gigafactories to develop and manufacture solar modules, batteries, fuel cells and more. If successful, this will help strengthen India's input value chain and help protect the country from the vagaries of price volatility internationally. With the electricity demand likely to pick up after the COVID pandemic's second wave in India, and with the government's push for electric vehicles, Reliance's target of 100 gigawatts of renewable energy is both optimistic and achievable, but perhaps with an adjustment to their timelines. India has been heavily importing solar cells and modules from countries such as China, Thailand and Vietnam. The government's aim is to increase the domestic production, and they have provided incentives through schemes like the Production-Linked Incentive. With falling prices of renewable energy and battery storage, the share of renewable energy is likely to keep going up, and thus the new as well as existing demand is likely to be met through renewable energy.